Care for tinnitus with these tips and tricks. Keep watching if you would like to know more about tinnitus, and discover whether you might be one of the millions affected. Watch this video to learn more about this condition and its symptoms, as well as efficient treatments you should use. It is prudent to get more than one opinion when talking to your doctor about whether tinnitus can be treated. A few physicians are just not properly informed about the plethora of current treatment options that do exist, as tinnitus is always treatable and sometimes curable. Give yourself a full 15 minutes of lying in bed while trying to sleep. If you're still awake, get up out of bed and go elsewhere in your home. Don't do anything that will get you revved up or stressed out. Instead, look for a relaxing activity that will allow you to wind down. Following this procedure makes your bed into a sleeping-only zone, cutting down on tossing and turning. In order to better deal with your tinnitus, try to stay away from loud noise. It will only exacerbate your condition. You may also want to carry earplugs with you in the event that you cannot avoid a noisy situation. If worse comes to worse, you can always use your fingers to block the noise as well. Running is a great exercise for those who suffer from tinnitus. Staying active, in general, helps to reduce the symptoms of tinnitus. But, running helps to keep your mind off of the uncomfortable feelings you have from tinnitus. Plus, the fresh air you feel when you run can be beneficial. Now that you have read the video above, you will likely have a clearer understanding of issues surrounding the disorder known as tinnitus. Use this information to help you determine what to do about tinnitus. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.